Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered if we're truly alone? What if the first sign of life beyond Earth wasn't a radio signal, but a silent visitor from another star system? Tonight, we delve into a story that is unfolding right now. A mystery that could change everything we know about our place in the cosmos. We're talking about 3IATLAS, the third interstellar object ever detected passing through our solar system. But this isn't just another rock from space. This visitor is different. It was first spotted by the Atlas survey, a system designed to find asteroids that might pose a threat to us here on Earth. The 3I Atlas wasn't on a collision course. In fact, its path was utterly bizarre. The speed, the trajectory, everything pointed to one incredible conclusion. It came from far beyond the edges of our solar system, from another star system entirely. Scientists named it 3ITLAS, the third interstellar visitor, following the famous Oumuamua in 2017 and Comet 2I Borisov in 2019. But right from the start, something about Atlas just didn't add up. Ordinary comets are like dirty snowballs. As they get closer to the sun, the ice heats up, turns to gas, and creates a glowing tail. We can predict how bright they'll get based on how much ice they have, but Atlas refused to play by the rules. It showed these strange, irregular brightness patterns. Its light would pulse dimming and then brightening unexpectedly. It wasn't reflecting sunlight like a normal icy body. It was as if something on its surface was rotating or changing in a way we'd never seen before. Naturally, this caught the attention of everyone with a telescope. NASA, the European Southern Observatory, and even private research teams scrambled to track it. The data they collected only made the mystery deeper. Some researchers claimed they saw what looked like structured reflection, not the random glinting you'd expect from a tumbling rock, but patterned, as if sunlight were bouncing off clean geometric surfaces. Of course, there was a simpler explanation. Others argued that the comet was simply breaking apart, its core fragmenting as it felt the sun's intense gravity. But even that didn't quite fit. The pieces weren't behaving like normal cometary fragments. The data just didn't match any known model. And that is when a few scientists started whispering a word that is almost taboo in mainstream astronomy: artificial. Could 3I Atlas be more than just rock and ice? Could it be a relic, a probe sent from another civilization? Now, this theory might sound like something straight out of science fiction, but it isn't entirely new. When the first interstellar object, Oumuamua, passed through our system, its strange elongated shape and unexpected acceleration led Harvard astronomer Avi Loeb to propose that it might be a technological artifact, maybe even a solar sail from an intelligent species. That idea caused a huge stir. With 3I Atlas and its own strange behavior, that debate has been blown wide open once again. And unlike Oumuamua, Atlas seemed more active, almost alive. It was ejecting materials that didn't match any known comet composition, adding yet another layer to the puzzle. For the past month, the world's most advanced telescopes have been staring at 3I Atlas, trying to decipher its secrets, and what they've seen has only deepened the mystery. Spectral readings, which analyze the chemical makeup of an object by studying the light it reflects, revealed traces of elements you just don't find in simple comets. We're talking about compounds usually found in manufactured alloys. Could it be a mistake? A data glitch? Maybe. But the thing is, several observatories, all working independently, confirmed the readings. The results were the same. Then came the rumors from the James Webb Space Telescope team. Unofficial reports began to surface, suggesting the JWST had captured strange heat signatures coming from one of the object's fragments. This wasn't just reflected sunlight. It was a low, consistent thermal glow, as if something inside the object was generating its own energy. A natural explanation is still possible. But the possibility that we're seeing a power source, however faint, is an electrifying thought. But the most mind-bending clue might be hidden in the light itself. Some have started to speculate that 3I Atlas might be transmitting something. Not a radio message, but a pattern hidden in its pulsing brightness. A kind of cosmic Morse code. Astrophysicists who studied the light curve graph of its brightness over time noticed repeating sequences. These faint fluctuations happened every 19 hours. Now, this could just be the object's rotation period. That would be the simple answer. Or it could be something much stranger, an intentional rhythm. A beacon. If it is artificial, think about what that means. It might have been launched millions of years ago, drifting silently between the stars, a bottle in the cosmic ocean waiting for anyone, to find it. A silent messenger from a civilization that might be long gone. As you can imagine, the scientific community is completely divided. Most astronomers remain cautious, and rightly so. They argue that the alien probe theory is pure speculation and that we should jump to extraordinary conclusions without extraordinary evidence. They believe a natural, if unusual, explanation will eventually be found. On the other side, a growing number of scientists argue that we must not ignore possibilities just because they make us uncomfortable. They believe that automatically dismissing the artificial hypothesis is unscientific. Meanwhile, as is often the case with mysteries like this, the internet has exploded with theories. Some claim that governments already know what Atlas is, and that this isn't the first time an object like this has entered our system. Others believe it is connected to ancient prophecies about a messenger star that signals a time of great change. Of course, none of this is proven, but the fascination, the pull of the unknown, is very real. Humanity has always looked up at the sky, searching for meaning in the vast, dark canvas above us. So what happens next? As we speak, 3I, ATLAS, is approaching its closest point to the Sun. The intense heat and gravity will be the ultimate test. It will either disintegrate completely, its secrets scattered into dust, or it will survive and potentially reveal even more surprises. If it holds together, it will use the Sun's gravity to slingshot back out into interstellar space, perhaps carrying new data from our own solar system with it, on its way to wherever it came from. NASA and the European Space Agency are coordinating a massive observation campaign to capture every possible detail of its final trajectory. Some scientists are even looking to the future, proposing a mission to chase down the next interstellar object and study it up close. Whether 3IATLAS is just a peculiar piece of cosmic rock or a true artifact of intelligence, it reminds us of something profound. The universe is not silent. It's constantly speaking to us through light, through motion, through mystery. We may not understand the language yet, but every new discovery, every new puzzle like this, brings us one step closer. Perhaps one day we'll finally learn that we were never alone, and that the first hint of life beyond our world wasn't a loud declaration, but a silent traveler passing through from the stars. The truth is still out there, waiting to be seen. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this journey into the unknown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more deep dives into the mysteries of our universe.